Hi, hello, welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. Very good morning to all. So, today again back with a new topic in our episodes. For the last few episodes, you're watching my videos. Thank you very much for your comments in the comment boxes, writing. And the basic information about these mathematics I would like to give for all the children and the job aspirants who are preparing for their jobs. And I am Murahari, as you know, for the last 20 years I am training students on Abacus, Vedic math and regular math. So Vedic math techniques already I have explained in my previous videos, and remaining topics I'm going to explain right now. So among those, lot of topics we have discussed. So in regular math, so among those, for the last 2-3 episodes, we are dealing with L.C.M. and H.C.F. least common multiple, as well as H.C.F. highest common divisor, highest common factor. Okay, least common multiple and highest common factors. So among these, the basic things with the smaller numbers I have explained in my previous episodes. So today I'm going to explain a little bit bigger numbers like word problems, how it will be. So that we are going to do now. So that is related to completely HCF as well as LCM, and that too word problems. Okay. So now I'm going to give a question to you. So then we will analyze it and we will do it. Okay. The question is, find the least number which is divided by 12, 15, 20 and 25 exactly. So we are dealing with the topic what HCF and LCM, and you don't know whether it is LCM or HCF. How to find out? Just read the question again. Find the least number. In our previous problem, it is given highest, isn't it? It means greater. Greatest common divisor or the highest common factor. Now the least means the lowest. Lowest is nothing but LCM. Least means lowest, which is nothing but LCM. Now we have to find out the LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, now we'll start. 12, 15, 20 and 25. So what is the procedure? Always start with 2, the least number. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. So do you think 15 will come in 2 table? No. So just write as it is. Again 2 10s are 20. Similarly 25 also will not come, so keep as it is. Again I take 2 because 2 3s are 6 we can do. 15 on goes, keep it as it is. 2 5s are 10 and 25 on goes, keep as it is. Next. Do you think these the remaining 4 numbers divisible by 2? No. So then I'll go with 3 table. 3 1 times is 3. 3 5 times is 15. And 5 won't come, so keep it as it is. And this also as it is. Now do you think already 2 table over. Now in 3 table, 5 1 comes, 25 1 comes. Then do you think 4 will come? No. Because in 4 table 5, 25 will not come. So I'll take directly 5. So 1, 1, 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are. Again, still number is there 5. So 1, 1, 1 and 1. So till you get all ones, you so 1, 2. So what is remaining? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 5 into 5. 4 3s are 12 into 5 into 5. 12 5s are 60 into 5. So 6 5s are 30 with a 0. Now the LCM of what are the numbers? 12, 15, 20 and 25 is 300. So this is the number which is exactly divisible. Okay, with all the given numbers. So this is the big number. So big sum. And that is a word problem. So whenever it used to find out the highest number, we are going to find out HCF. and whenever he is asking you to find out LCM, you are going to find out with the lowest term. Okay, so hope you understood, and I'll go with one more question. So here I gave one more question for you. Just see the question, but it is just to find out the H.C.F, highest common factor of three numbers now. Till now we did only for two numbers, now it is a three numbers like 160, 165, 305. Now as I told, there are two methods of finding factors. One is divisibility rule and the other is taking the factors separately. But taking factors for 160 may take a lot of time. For 165 also may take a lot of time. And 305 will definitely take a lot of time, right? So why don't we go with the division process? Yeah. So in division, the numbers are given 160, 165 and 305. So 3 we cannot do at a time, so we can make it 2 at a time, right? First we will do this 160 and 165. What would be the highest common factor? What I told, the bigger number must always divided with the smaller number. This is the process, right? So 161 is 160. Now you left 5. And bring down this divisor as the dividend. Now 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1 0. 5 2s are 10. That means 5 32s are 161. So what is the H.C.F here? 5. Out of these two numbers you got 5. Now actually the question is 160, 165 and 305. So among these three numbers we did for two numbers and the answer what we got is 5. Write down 5. The answer of these two and 305. Now again you have to find out one more H.C.F. Whenever you use three numbers, find out H.C.F for first two numbers. After getting the answer, you do again with the third number. Okay. Now 5 and 305. So the bigger number is 305 is divided by 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5. That is 5 61s are 305, which is 0. So this is the H.C.F of the given numbers. So the bigger number or three numbers or 4 numbers, whatever it is. So everything comes like this only. If it is 4 number, so after getting this with a 5, you can add one more number to the H.C.F process. So hope you understood. So with this we conclude that what is L.C.M, what is H.C.F and the combination of L.C.M and H.C.F. Okay. So and I had told in the factor method and division method also. So hope you will understand everything, and thanks for watching, and share my channel to all your friends and relatives. Okay. Thank you very much.